Today, I'm going to introduce you to one of our newest solar consultants, Jason Hadlin. Jason, new kid on the block. How long have you been here?
I've been consulting for 6 months now, but I started back in 2018 as a labourer holding panels, did my apprenticeship. Now I'm a qualified electrician with my install and design ticket.
That's right. So new kid on the block in terms of consultant, but fair to say you're an old hat around here. And been installing for a long time?
Yeah, been installing for, those 6 years now, just under 6 years. So, yeah.
What about, do you practice what you preach? You have solar at your place?
I do. I live at Aspley. I have 2 young girls in primary school and I have a big roof space, so I wanted to maximise that. I did the 3-phase upgrade and I have a 20 kilowatt solar system.
20 kilowatts that I'm jealous of because I can only fit 17, but that's a huge system you've got there. What do you think? Is there much of an advantage being a consultant when you're also a Sparky?
Absolutely. I can look at a roof and basically know where our exclusion zones are, how the install's done, where cables are running. I have the advantage of opening up a switchboard, which you need to be an electrician to do that, just to check that there's no cables in our way where our switchgear is going.
Yeah, so you know the guys really well, the guys that are going to be on the roof installing the panels, you know exactly how it's done.
Yeah, absolutely. I can help streamline that process so they've got a nice smooth install and hopefully keep it to a one day.
Yeah, okay. It was bad to lose you as a Sparky, but great for you to be here as a consultant.
Pleasure to be here. And if you're on the north side, feel free to give me a call and we can talk technical installs and get you a quote.
So it's hardly fair to say that you oh man, coffee, something. Far out.
That's all right. I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing.
It's
this is what I came in just freaking out about.
I'm the only one that does this. I'm just trying to make you feel comfortable.
No, and it's working. So thank you very much. It's doing its job.